shapes bone structures so we can stand up better. Freedom from within takes butterfly wings and turns them into I love you so deep that the echoes of such words vibrates in the hollows of one's chest. First understands self-love first, never tries to give what it doesn't have to give first. We have to realize that this hate that has kept us down is not the hate you will allow to dress you up every morning. You, with your head so low, you might crash into a wall. Don't let them misinterpret the best of you has faced Goliath. You have walked away with breath in your mouth. Whether you knocked him down, maybe this time he just walked away. Next time, carry poison in your tongue, a rock in your back pocket just in case, and let him know who David was, because it has been too long. It has been too long that silence has choked the best of us birthing the world every day, baptizing it with milk. Don't let them cut out your tongue. What made you think that it was okay for him to decorate your face in purple, to cut the oak of your body down to a seed? Don't let them cut out your tongue, woman. Speak up. Up is the only direction we have to go from here on in. The ends of our unraveling threads must be knotted up and tight and strong. Tie it around your waist, so when you feel yourself slipping back into the black that outlined your dreams and kept them confined, we can pull you back into the surface where birds take flight. It is not their love that you are looking for. It is not their love that you are looking for. It is your love that you have lost. It is not in the structure of their castle you will find that your treasure is not the gold that they're offering you. You might bandage your wounds 1,000 times, woman. Watch them heal on the surface, but your birds are trapped inside. How are you supposed to take flight with them? Head of the table, you were meant to carry a scar to smack you with. Unconditional love never meant that the conditions of your survival would be questionable. But here we sit crying, cause you were 13 when he raped you. I'm 23 and he hits me. You're 53 and it's been 23 years that the echoes of his words whisper you are worthless. Has made you into a defeated warrior. Warrior, get up. Find your weapons, whether it be your voice or your leaving, your fist or your dream, and take back what is yours. Self-love is not found in another. You are not that diamond. You are not that diamond that children's hands excavate from African lands to sell to American hands before our weddings, because it is the only love we can interpret. You are that diamond that sits in the sky so bright, only God could have shaped it. You are that diamond. You are that diamond. I remember I am that diamond. I am that diamond. I am that diamond. Only God, only I could have created.